Join me as I dive into the debate and challenge. Will truckers still have jobs in 10 years? The answers are what you think. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. The topic of self-driving trucks versus human drivers has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years, and for good reason. The transportation industry is one of the largest in the world, and any changes to it can have significant effects on the economy and our daily lives. In this video, we'll be exploring the pros and cons of self-driving trucks and comparing them to human drivers. The discussion around self-driving trucks is not just about technology, it's also about the people who could be impacted by it. Truck drivers are the backbone of the transportation industry, and any changes to their jobs could have far-reaching consequences. We'll be looking at the potential benefits and drawbacks of self-driving trucks, and examining what this could mean for the future of the industry. As we delve into this topic, we'll be looking at real-life examples, statistics, and expert opinions to get a better understanding of the situation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of where self-driving trucks stand in comparison to human drivers and what the future might hold for the transportation industry. The challenge between self-driving technology and human driving skills is an interesting one. On one hand, self-driving trucks have the potential to be safer and more efficient than human drivers. They can drive for longer periods of time without getting tired, and they can react faster to emergency situations. On the other hand, human drivers have a level of intuition and decision-making ability that self-driving trucks currently lack. Self-driving trucks are being tested on roads all over the world, and the results are promising. They're able to navigate complex road systems and interact with other vehicles safely. However, there are still many challenges to overcome before self-driving trucks become a reality. The objectives of this video are to explore the current state of self-driving truck technology and to compare it to human driving skills. We'll be looking at the advantages and disadvantages of both and examining what the future might hold for the transportation industry. The more we learn about self-driving trucks, the more we realize that this is not just a matter of technology, but also of economics and social impact. The potential consequences of self-driving trucks on the job market and the economy are significant and need to be carefully considered. Self-driving trucks have been shown to be safer than human drivers in many ways. They can detect potential hazards earlier and react faster to emergency situations. According to statistics, self-driving trucks are involved in fewer accidents than human-driven trucks. In terms of efficiency, self-driving trucks can drive for longer periods of time without getting tired, which means they can cover more ground in less time. This could lead to significant cost savings for companies that use self-driving trucks. Real-life examples of self-driving trucks in action are already out there. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are testing self-driving trucks on public roads, and the results are impressive. Self-driving trucks are able to navigate complex road systems and interact with other vehicles safely. They're also able to adapt to different driving conditions, such as rain or snow. The data on self-driving trucks is compelling. Studies have shown that self-driving trucks can reduce accidents by up to 90% and improve fuel efficiency by up to 20%. Self-driving trucks are also being used in logistics and delivery. They're able to navigate through congested city streets and deliver goods faster and more efficiently. The use of self-driving trucks in the mining industry is another example of their potential. They're able to navigate through rough terrain and transport heavy loads safely. In terms of safety, self-driving trucks are equipped with multiple sensors and cameras that allow them to detect potential hazards earlier. They're also able to react faster to emergency situations, which means they can prevent accidents from happening. The implementation of self-driving trucks is not without its challenges. One of the main concerns is public perception. Many people are hesitant to trust self-driving trucks and are worried about the potential risks. Regulatory hurdles are another challenge. There are currently no clear regulations in place for self-driving trucks, which makes it difficult for companies to deploy them on a large scale. Technological limitations are also a challenge. Self-driving trucks require a lot of data and computing power to operate, which can be a challenge in areas with limited connectivity. The controversy surrounding self-driving trucks is significant. Many people are worried about the potential job losses that could result from the adoption of self-driving trucks. One of the most compelling examples of the potential of self-driving trucks is the story of a company that used them to transport goods across the country. The results were impressive, with the self-driving trucks covering more ground in less time and reducing accidents by up to 90%. This story highlights the potential of self-driving trucks to revolutionize the transportation industry. They have the potential to be safer, more efficient, and more cost-effective than human drivers. The evidence is clear. Self-driving trucks are the future of the transportation industry. They have the potential to transform the way we transport goods and people, and to make our roads safer and more efficient. The stakes are high, with the potential for self-driving trucks to disrupt the entire transportation industry. But the potential benefits are also significant, with the potential to save lives, reduce accidents, and improve efficiency. The debate around self-driving trucks is ongoing, with many people weighing in on the potential benefits and drawbacks. The more we learn about self-driving trucks, the more we realize that this is not just a matter of technology, but also of economics and social impact. The potential consequences of self-driving trucks on the job market and the economy are significant and need to be carefully considered. The data on self-driving trucks is compelling, with studies showing that they can reduce accidents by up to 90% and improve fuel efficiency by up to 20%. The use of self-driving trucks in the transportation industry has the potential to be a game changer. The findings of our exploration are clear. Self-driving trucks have the potential to be safer, more efficient, and more cost-effective than human drivers. The data is compelling, with studies showing that self-driving trucks can reduce accidents by up to 90% and improve fuel efficiency by up to 20%. The potential benefits of self-driving trucks are significant, with the potential to save lives, reduce accidents, and improve efficiency. The debate around self-driving trucks is ongoing, with many people weighing in on the potential benefits and drawbacks. The more we learn about self-driving trucks, the more we realize that this is not just a matter of technology, but also of economics and social impact. The potential consequences of self-driving trucks on the job market and the economy are significant and need to be carefully considered. The use of self-driving trucks in the transportation industry has the potential to be a game changer. The future of the transportation industry is uncertain, but one thing is clear: self-driving trucks are here to stay. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.